Here we'll talk about hide and die syndrome. It is seen in hypothermia. This severe hypothermia will lead to mental confusion. So in this mental confusion, the person will try to hide from the cold. So in often cases, you can find the person hiding in stranger places like under the bed, under the bench, behind the wardrobe, or may pull down all the household items or utensils into a leap. He makes all these objects into a heap and hides behind it. And also he might burrow into the snow and bush. We can find bodies in these strange places. So what is the medical legal importance? It is mistaken for robbery or murder because all this looks like the person is hiding from murder or robbery to save himself. But in reality, it is because of the hypothermia leading to mental confusion. So it is rarely seen in disoriented dying hypothermic person. That means the person who is in end stage of life. So disoriented dying hypothermic person, it gives a suspicion for the murder or robbery. So it is hard to know if the hypothermia led to mental confusion or if the person is actually suffering from any mental illness which led to this thing, right? So medical legal importance, it can be mistaken for robbery or murder, but the signs of hypothermia can be found. So it differentiates between the robbery and murder. In case of robbery or murder, if the person is hiding, there will be no signs of hypothermia. But in case of this hide and die syndrome, you can see the signs of hypothermia. So this is how you can differentiate. So if we summarize the whole thing, hide and die syndrome will be seen in hypothermia cases, that too rarely in a dying disoriented person, so which leads to the mental confusion. The person usually tries to hide from this cold and may be found in some weird places like under the bed or bench, behind the wardrobe, burrow into the snow or bush, etc. All this will give rise to a suspicion of murder or robbery. But if you find any signs of hypothermia in the person, then go for hide and die syndrome. But if you do not find any signs of hypothermia, then it can be a murder or robbery. That's it. Bye.